One of these photos was taken on film and the other photo was taken on this Fujifilm using film simulations, film recipes. We're here with Ishkhan today. He's got the Hasselblad 500C and we're gonna be doing a little challenge today, matching the same roll of film that he's using on this one, creating a film recipe on the Fuji X100F, taking some portraits, see if the photos are comparable.
Yeah.
If they look the same, if you can get away using a digital Fujifilm and not have to spend all this extra money on film. 50 bucks for 12 photos.
Shall we?
Let's do it. Okay, so Ishkhan is shooting on Portra 400. So I'm gonna match the simulation. I have to create the recipe on the X100F. So there's actually a website you can go to. It's called like Fuji Weekly or something. And they post film simulations or film recipes to emulate like the same as like rolls of film. And so they have a Portra 400 one for the X100F. Create the recipe right now, put it into the camera, and then we're gonna shoot some portraits. So we have the recipe right here. Let me do edit, save custom setting. Let's just go to like custom 7. And then we're just gonna copy these settings. So dynamic range 400, highlight -1, classic chrome. We should be good. Let's go take some portraits.
So we're just gonna take a quick light reading over here. So we wanna expose for the shadows. So 500th of a second at 6.3. And yeah, let's get into it. We want to do a little bit of a wide shot, so maybe we'll do like a little bit of like action. So let me focus and then you let it roll from there. Oh, I like that. All right, ready for the first shot? And 1, 2, 3. Nice. And we'll do one more. A little bit of a close-up. And 1, 2, 3. Nice. All right. Your turn.
Yo, it looks so good. What the hell?
Oh, here, let me get a...
What are you shooting on for focal length?
So
Is that a 50?
So this is an 80 mil on medium format, so you get a little bit wider than like a 40. So it's very, very similar. Yeah.
Let's hit it. Maggie, ready? We got it. Okay. I want a very simple, like, yeah, like this. Perfect. Hold that. There we go. I like it.
So let me see. That's a good one.
Still holding this one for film now.
Ooh. Ooh. All right, let's get one more. Do a little portrait. Actually, do like tilt your head down. Yeah. Perfect. And 1, 2. Nice. Let's do one. I want to get one like right in this little pattern area. You want to sit in that little pink spot. Yeah. So we get some nice shadows.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
He does.
So because he's shooting film and he can't see like the digital screen, he's got to take a little light meter. What is he doing?
Ready? And 1, 2. Ooh. Ooh.
That's how real photographers do it.
Yeah, that one felt really good. That one felt really good. Ooh, we got the sun shining now. Should do one more. Little high angle right here. Hold that, and 1, 2. Nice. Oof.
I want the same thing sitting down. Turn this way. Where's the light coming from? There? Yeah, this is good. Fixed lens. Yeah, I like that right there. Hold it.
How you looking?
We got it.
Got it? I
Yeah.
might sneak in there for 1, too.
Yeah, we got it. Beauty shot.
12.7.
I really like the harsh lighting right now.
Yeah.
I really like it.
It's definitely a little more challenging for me because I want to figure out like what I want to expose for, because that's like key for like shooting film, right? Because if you miss, you miss. Now maybe I'll get you to do a little, yeah. Okay, and 1, 2. Nice. Like it.
Love that sound.
We're on number 7.
Can you explain to the camera what the light meter does?
Sure. Basically, it's like with any exposure triangle, you have 3 things. You have your ISO, though, so if it's Portra 400, it'll be 400 ISO. If you buy Kodak Gold 200, it'll be 200 ISO. So that's where you'll set that. And then you'll set your shutter speed on the top over here, and it says T. So that'll be your shutter speed. And down here where it says F, that'll be your aperture. So to kind of perfect your exposure, you click this little button over here, and it'll give you a new reading based on the current lighting situation. And so at 400 ISO, it'll say 1/60th of a second at ISO 11. And you can kind of adjust that based on your lens shutter speeds. So let's say you want to shoot at 2/50th of a second at 9 ISO. You can give or take half a stop up, half a stop down to kind of get it exactly where you want. But yeah, that's kind of what this is used for. Kind of getting your exposure, and then based on your experience, you can kind of adjust it from there.
I'll be honest, I kind of cheated while you were giving that little
Did you sneak in some shots?
sneak the shot in.
Oh,
It's a banger.
damn. Wait, I'm gonna have to steal that.
You're stealing
Hold
it?
on.
You know what? Steal it. Steal it.
Steal
Right here.
I'm gonna steal that. Let me see
Steal
that.
it so then I can compare it
Oh,
later.
I'm stealing that for sure. Okay, here we go. Well, we're going all the way down. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Is it weird that I kind of want to like climb the fence, but I don't know how I'll be able to take a picture with one shot or
You
with
gotta
one
climb it
with
too.
one
You just
arm.
gotta
Oh,
climb
she
it.
can climb the fence though. That works. All right, we'll be quick.
Can you just zoom into the
500,
shoes that she's wearing?
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Hold that. 1, 2. One more. I'm gonna get a full body one. I'm just gonna move back a little bit. And hold that. And 1, 2, 3. All right.
Yeah, let's take an on fence shot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, hold that. You see, we're good.
We can both do this one.
I do have one shot in mind.
Okay. Let's do this one real quick. Pretty similar. 1, 2, 3.
The shadow looks so good on you
Yeah.
right now.
You wanna grab one too?
Yeah, hold that.
Oh, that one might be a hard one for them to guess.
I don't
That's
like.
gonna
I
be-
don't know how these. Like, obviously, we can't
Yeah,
see how these
I
turned
know.
out. But I have a feeling like, because I'm not gonna edit these. I'm just shooting
Okay.
straight up JPEG.
Okay. Yeah. You know what?
Like, it almost looks
that's,
like-
that's pretty close.
So the question is, do you think you need a film camera to shoot Portra 400, or can you just simulate it?
Well, I guess you'll have to wait till the end of the video to find out.
Let's go shoot some more. This basketball post,
Yeah.
I'm shooting this way so we can get like all the trees and the color in the background.
Oh
And
yeah.
I just want you to like lean
What?
shoulder against it.
Oh, that's a great one. Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Perfect. Sneaks in his light metering. Eh?
Yeah.
Let's just see on this side the pole. Now
Oh, you throw
lean.
me a curveball.
Can you exaggerate the lean? Yeah, like perfect. I think I want to get like a close shot here. Yeah, hold that. Looking that way. It looks really good here.
Let's do that wide one. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3. Last shot. We got one left.
Last shot. Do a little planning.
Yeah.
We figure out what exactly we want,
Let's try to get like a
and
1-to-1.
then we're getting the exact shot.
I'm in.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Exact same shot. I do want harsh light
Okay.
with like maybe a shadow cutting across her face. We'll wait for him to get set up.
Yeah.
And then once he's set up, we'll take the photo at the exact same time. That way, this is like a perfect comparison.
Okay. I think I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's see. Let me see your framing.
So I'll frame it right here.
Okay. Do let me know.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. 3.
That's fire.
That's it.
That's it.
That's 12.
I want to say that the photos that came out of here, or at least what they look like on the back of the camera, look pretty close to how I know Portra 400 is.
Yeah.
Mind you, I don't shoot film, so
They look good. I saw a couple of them. They look really, really good. Like, honestly, for everyday and even like client work, you can definitely get away with using something like this for like a good, like, solid film emulation.
yeah.
Like on a budget.
Well, I think that's what I like about it. It's just
Yeah.
you can shoot JPEG. You have film simulation, so you can load like Portra 400 or like
Yeah.
whatever recipe you want, and then get a good shot right out of camera.
Yeah.
Heck.
Wait, I don't even have to focus myself. This is like the robot
So
doing
he's
all the
using the
work.
Fuji X100F.
This is really good. Hold on, look at some of these.
That
Okay.
looks so cool, man.
And it's so tiny.
It looks
Light,
good, right?
It's not 5 pounds. Does
Yeah,
similar
I know. Look at
thing.
like that. Look at the size difference on that.
We'll cut it out. Cut it out.
If that was film, you would have lost the shot. No, kidding.